Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith, Chapter 17, Shloka 17. This threefold austerity, practiced by steadfast men with the utmost faith, desiring no fruit, they call Sattvika.
Chapter 17, Shloka 17. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapastatrividham narehi apalakankshipir yuktaihi satvikam parisakshate.
Chapter 17, Shloka 17. In the following shlokas, the three types of tapaswins and their tapas are indicated. The previous shlokas explained what is true tapas in our bodily contacts with the world outside, in our speech, and in our mental life. The very same tapas by different people, even with equal faith, give different results because of the difference in their temperaments. The good, sattvic, the passionate, rajasic, and the dull, tamasic. Men of sattvic temperament practice austerities of body, speech, and mind steadily with no clinging attachment to or anxiety for the fruits thereof. The integrated refuse to worry over the future as they know the principles of karma, which is a combination of destiny and self-effort. Since the perfection and efficiency of the present activities determine and command the future results, it is unintelligent to worry about the future results and spoil the very quality of the present activities. The good, desiring no fruit, but all the same practicing sincerely the threefold tapas as explained above, come to reap a large dividend from their austerities. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.